Longhua Temple, located in the heart of Shanghai, has a history of 1,700 years. It's one of the city's four major ancient temples and the oldest and largest of them all. The name comes from the story of Maitreya Buddha attaining enlightenment under the Longhua tree, symbolizing splendor and dignity. Every time I step into Longhua Temple, I feel a unique sense of peace and solemnity, as if time slows down here. The temple is famous for bringing good luck in careers, attracting many young people to pray for success. It's open to everyone, whether you are Buddhist or not. Each hall has different deities for different blessings. The Maitreya Hall for family harmony, the Heavenly King's Hall for safety, the Grand Hall for studies and career, and the Three Saints Hall for health and longevity. When praying, you can walk around the pagoda 3 times, then enter the main gate and light incense. After that, bow 3 times clockwise in each of the 4 directions while silently making your wish. Finally, place the incense in the burner. You can also write your wish on a red ribbon and tie it to a tree or temple beam. Inside, there is a vegetarian noodle hall where you can eat first and pay later. If you are tight on money, you can also have noodles for free. Dropping coins into the incense burner is believed to bring wealth and good fortune, while offering fresh flowers symbolizing purity and fulfillment. You can also try copying scriptures, sipping temple coffee, or simply relaxing with the temple's resident cats. If you ever visit Shanghai, I highly recommend stopping by Longhua Temple. It's the perfect place to find a moment of peace in the midst of the city's hustle and bustle.